Looking good. Looking good. Oh, stop, 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 stop.
Hello everyone, I am Dennis Lovelady, and as you can probably tell, I am in my car. I'm driving to Monticello, Georgia, which is about 90 minutes from home, and I'm on a mission, folks. The mission is that I want to overcome this trepidation that I have had with regards to flying my drone through and under things. The reason for going to Monticello is that I was passing by there not too long ago, and I happened to see this one special building that had an open invitation. It almost had a sign above it that said, "Dennis Lovelady will never fly here." I stopped at that building, I had my drone with me, I flew it up right to that open invitation, and I brought it back down and shook my head and I drove home, crying all the way. Anyway, I have decided that I'm going to go back there and either fly through there or find out if State Farm insurance is any good. So that's what we're about, and let's see what happens.
All right. So that's it. Now, let's get this into view. Hopefully everything is visible here. Please forgive the interruption, but a couple of things need to be explained here. First off, see this Hero 7 black camera? Well, its little brain froze, and the only video I got out of it was a 20-minute long image of an unmoving Mavic 2. Secondly, see this guy with the big ears and the funny looking glasses? Apparently his little brain froze too because he temporarily neglected to press the record button on the Mavic 2 controller. So we lack that perspective for this first run. That will be corrected shortly. We now return you to the regularly scheduled video. Just gonna climb up a little bit. Actually looks like I'm high enough already. There's a little bit of wind. Not too bad. It's cold, it's 31 degrees. I may have to turn the sensors off. We're going to go with it as it is. See how we do. This is nervous business for me. We're just gonna, if we look like we're gonna continue through, I'll just go ahead and push up a little bit, up, and we're gonna go on through. Well, I wasn't happy about it. We got the job done. And there it is. All right, Dennis Lovelady, you have done it. You have done it. All right, so the sensors were not doing me any good at all. They just slowed me down. I'm gonna turn the sensors off. Turn off the forward sensors. Forward and backward is off. Okay. I didn't record that. Stupid me, I did not record that. Press record. Camera's pointed down. Camera's pointed back up. Okay, we're gonna go to the right some. Go up some. Go up some more. All right, are we ready? Let's do this little thing. We did it. I hope that got on camera. Okay, so go up. There we are. Turn it about. Like that. More like that. Okay, and come back down. Now here's the true challenge. Here's the true challenge. Can we come back the other way? So the sensors are off. I don't like that. And I haven't scoped out the back of that church. But I do know that I went straight up from there. I should be okay. So we're going to go down. We're going to go left a bit. Like that. Just like that. Go down a bit more. Oh, am I shaking? Go to the left a bit more. And come on through, folks. The water's fine. Looking good. Looking good. Oh, stop. Oof. Okay, we're gonna move to the right. Move to the right again. Move to the right again. Okay, so come on through, bud. Full speed ahead. All right. Hey, that was a success, folks. That was a true success. Oh, sensor's back on. Go to our thingamajig and click the doohickey and punch that little button there. All right, and then the X. Cameras are getting tired. How's this one doing? It looks like it's recording. All right, so yeah, so we're just going to, here we go. A little bit more to the right. All right, now that's not quality flight time there. That's not good TV, as Jim would say. Try that again. Why did my screen go black? You see that? Completely black. All right. And orientation's wrong. There we go. I'm gonna back off. I didn't see anything at all at that height. And just do a nice little orbit here. Alright. And just right above me, sort of. We're going to bring him home. Go home ourselves. That, friends, is what I consider a successful mission. Mission accomplished. Yes, sirree. Alright, so, there it is. Came home safe and sound. See this? This is the craft that went through that hole right there. Yes, sir. This is the one, folks. All right. Thanks for your time. This section of the video is for those 3 diehard fans that watch my stuff past the outro. You'll recognize who you are by the fact that you're still here. Anyway, I found this place as I was driving back from a different drone flying mission. Heading west on Georgia 16, this church caught my eye for some reason as I was passing, so I immediately found my way back to it and had a quick look around. Seeing no impediments, I got the Mavic 2 out of the car and set it up. This was going to be the day and time when I would finally overcome that inhibition about flying through small structures. Woohoo! I'll fast forward past the boring stuff. You've seen me line up shots quite recently. So at this point I had jacked up my nerve, I had decided to push through. But just as I was pushing the stick forward to go through, I kid you not, there was a warning. Battery level is low. The aircraft will return to the home point, yada, yada, yada. Battery level wouldn't have been an issue in this case, of course, but it swallowed up my nerve. So I continued to home, and the further I got, the more determined I was to complete the mission. The next day I drove back armed with 4 cameras plus 2 drones, determined to make this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and thanks so much for being one of the 3
That means so much to me.